Do you want a clean, bright ceiling with a soft pink style? Let us show you how, step by step, with Davies Megacryl MCS. A premium 100% acrylic, water-based paint designed for elegance, durability, and easy maintenance. Here's what you need. Davies Megacryl MCS. Paint roller, paintbrush, paint tray, and sandpaper. Make sure the surface is clean, dry, and free from dust, grease, or loose materials. Apply 2 coats of Davies Megacryl MCS top coat. Since the surface is already white, there's no need for primer. Allow 2 hours of drying time between coats. There are more colors to choose from. A smooth, bright, and lasting ceiling finish. Davies Megacryl. Beautification for every surface.
Brought to you by Davies Paints. Basta pintura, hanapin ang tatak Davies. Paint reinvented.